From what I can tell on both of these my FX book results for FXCharger is that these results are phenomenal. Well, hi there, my friend Errol Muller, and welcome to another video. Firstly, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. And in this specific video, we will be doing the FXCharger Forex Robot review. Very important, before we continue, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Take a few seconds, pause this video and read that disclaimer. Now, to continue along, if you have been following me for quite some time, you will know that I delve into the details of Forex trading robots or make money online systems, etc., etc. And I like to work with my FX book result, and that is what we're going to do in this specific video. Is I'm going to open up the my FX book results for you, delve into the details, go through the drawdowns, the risks, the results, whatever is required in order for you watching this video to make an informed decision. Now, I've got nothing against the owner. I cannot guarantee any of these results or anything of the sort. Everything you do at your own risk. This is just my personal opinion. I'm basing my review from what I can see on the website of FXCharger. Now, who am I? My name is Errol Muller. I am the owner of this business, Empire Digest. If you head over to Empire Digest, you will see this very homepage by the time of you watching this video. And if you would like to make more money online, then you are more than welcome to check out this specific system. Now, how do you get hold of FXCharger? Let me show you. When you head over to my website, empiredigest.com, you scroll all the way to the bottom. At the tab where it says Forex, you click the Forex tab. It will bring you over to this page, Forex. I want you to click on Forex Trading Robots, which is this one right here. Click the Learn More button. After you've clicked the Learn More button, it will bring you over to a page that looks very similar to this. And then I want you to click on the one that says Forex Store. Click the Access Now button. And then as soon as you've clicked that button, it will open up this page. Now, what you can do in the search bar is you type in FXCharger. It will bring up the FXCharger Basic as well as the Max. You can click on any one of these two. As soon as you click on it, it will bring up the physical products for you to have a look at and buy. And here's the my FX book results. Now, I want to go back to the home page to show you these robots. Most important, let's open up the my FX book results. So for the basic, trading on the USD CAD, Euro GBP, Euro USD. We are opening up this specific one right here. Continue to my FX book. And now to open up, if we head over to the max version, you see the USD CAD, Euro GBP, Euro USD is the same as the first one up top, but I want to open up the one at the bottom that says AUD USD. So let's open up the AUD USD. Okay, so if you, the owner or developer, are watching this specific video, nothing against you. I'm just basing my opinion on what I can see. I've been doing this for many, many years, 8 years now that I've been doing this for, going on 9 years, and I'm literally just sharing with you, if I were to buy this robot, what I would personally have a look at. Okay, so let's look at this AUD USD chart quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the AUD USD as a reference, the my FX book results for this one right here as a reference. And then whatever I'm showing you here, you can basically go to any my FX book account and go through all of this information. And if you have any other questions, before we continue, very important, please, please, please give this video a like. Just give it a thumbs up. It's all I'm asking. Give it a thumbs up in order for this video to rank as quickly as possible, as high as possible in the search engine, in order to help more individuals like yourself to make an informed decision. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact the FXCharger support. I will point out a few things to you in order for you to have a look at. And if you have any questions, then contact their support. And if you want to leave me a comment below this video, you're more than welcome to do so. Okay, so point number one, always start when looking at a My FX Book account. look at the custom analysis. In this case, the custom analysis is not set. It's a good thing. It's a plus point. Reason being, some developers, some guys trying to sell the robots to you, etc., hide some of their results, especially bad results. And then for that reason, they would set the custom analysis. So if it's not set, it's a bonus point. It's good. In this case, the track record is not verified because the broker and the investor's password and my FX book is not linked with one another. They have to finalize that section in order to get a tick right here. Trading privileges are shared, which is good. Live update: when an account is connected with live update, all orders, trades, and statistics are calculated and reported in real time. Now, my guess is the reason this is not ticked is because the track record is not ticked. The investor's password is not linked with the broker and with my FX book. Okay. What we also want to have a look at, we want to make sure that it's either a real account or a demo account trading on live accounts, so live charts, very important. So statistics general, in this case you can see it is a real account. They're not sharing the leverage with you, of which you could always contact the FXCharger support and ask them what is their preferred leverage. And as you can see, the start date of this specific account was on July the 6th, the year 2022. Added on November the 9th, the year 2022. Not bad. So looking at this, they say it's got an average of 0.36% daily return and an average monthly return of 11.29%. Now, the drawdown is quite high. It's sitting at 31.43%. That is too high for me, to my liking. But then again, let's delve right into it. It shows updated 4 minutes ago, which is a good thing. Now, this is the overall growth of the account, which is good. It's looking really good. The balance, not too worried about the balance. The profit, yeah, you can see the profit. What I do want to look at, if we go back to growth, you see, I can't zoom in now, but at the bottom, there's a small orange line. That is your equity line, your equity versus the actual account balance. Now, if your orange line separates, in actual fact, the previous video that I've uploaded on the top right hand side of your screen, sorry, English is my second language, on the top right hand side of your screen, there will be a notification popping up, and I based a review on I think it's Night Forex bot, where there's a massive gap between the growth and the orange line. So do check out that video to show that there's either numerous trades that are currently open. There is a lot of trades that are actually open. That's why the orange line would separate from your account growth bar, the red orange type of bar. And that is sometimes not a good thing. Okay, in this case, it's looking good. Your account and account growth is basically on par, which is a good thing. Drawdown. The drawdown is sitting at 3%, 3.33%, 4%. The reason it calculates the drawdown at 31.43, I have absolutely no idea why it would do that. Because if you look at the actual physical drawdown, and if you look at when it started, look at about the 6th of July, 8th of July, up until now, October 5th, and going on, it's a little bit backdated. Or a little bit behind October 5th, and the custom analysis is not set. I would not know, or I won't be I don't understand why they would put the drawdown at 31.43%, whereby it's hovering around the 4 and 3%, which is phenomenal. This is a drawdown that I would definitely be interested in working with. So it's quite weird. Then deposits, your deposits is $1,500 that they've deposited into this specific account. They've made 0 withdrawals, which is a good thing. Now, if you scroll down based on deposits, I want to share something with you guys quickly. If you click on the history button and you scroll all the way to the bottom, let's go to the very last pages. This will be when they've made the deposit. As you can see, deposit $1,500. Now, they have not made any other deposits since then, because if they made any other deposits, in order for the growth of the graph to look good, you would have seen that this 1,500 deposits tab right here would have been more. So in this case, everything is ticking. It's looking legit. It's looking good. Next thing to look at is the summary. In this case, you can see this specific set file only for FXCharger only trades the odd USD pair. Okay, and then the duration, let's quickly have a look at the duration. On average, it trades from 1 hour, 7 hours up to about 7 days. So the majority of trades takes place within 7 days, which is a lot. The duration of a trade, that is long. So if you had to pay swaps, overnight swaps on 7 days, that's going to be a hell of a lot of money, depending on the size of the trade. And then you also have an ECN account, which stands for a commission account. So that is quite long for me. That for me is not a good point. I don't like trades going longer than 24 hours, which is 1 day, because I don't want to pay swaps. I don't want to pay extra money that's not needed. 2 days is fine. 1-2 days, that's all right. One overnight swap is okay. Then some of these trades, like this was a loss trade at 19 days. The trade took 19 days before it closed in a loss. That is phenomenal. That's crazy. Here's another one, which was a profitable trade of 16 days. So that's also something to look at. And you can always, what I would suggest is contact FXCharger support and ask them if they use a stop loss. Does the Forex robot use a stop loss? Very important. That means if it does open a trade, let's call it, you've got 3 lines. So this is where it entered the trade. This is, let's say we're going in a bullish momentum. So you want to put your top, you want to have your take profit right here, and you want to have your stop loss right here. So should this trade go into a negative, you would rather be stopped out and not risk your account being blown. You do not risk all of your money being lost because there's a stop loss in place. If there's no stop loss in place, then it's going to work on the average drawdown risk percentage. So let's say they set the risk percentage at 20 or 35%, meaning they are willing to risk 35% of the account in one trade. That means if you lose 3 trades, your account's basically blown. If 3 trades had to open at the same time, all at a 30 or 35% risk factor, then you might as well then basically overnight, if all 3 goes into a loss, then you would have blown your account. Okay. So contact their support and ask them if it does use a stop loss, just for your reference, your own reference. And then this is the history of the trades, and I showed you how to get access to see whether they've made extra deposits or not, which is a good thing. And then you can look at all the trades, open trades. Majority of the guys do not share open trades, which is fair, because then people will literally copy their trading style. That's one of the reasons. And sometimes people don't share the open trades with others. Reason being that I want to show you how long a trade has been active for. It might open 10 or 20 trades at once, of which some of them might be in the 30 days already, or 15 days or 10 days active. I'm not saying that is for this specific robot. That is what it is, not at all. Don't get me wrong. I'm just giving an example here. Okay, so looking at the year 2022, it started, as we said, in July. This is the account growth percentages: 18 per month, average per month, 18, 26, 26, 14, 32, and 6%. Then in the year 2023, it went 14, and then all of a sudden it just started going down, 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 which is a good thing, because that tells me they've actually lowered the risk factor, so that they don't want to expose too much of the account should something happen. So rather look at percentages of 5% per month, 3%, 1.54. Those are good returns. Think of your bank, think of investments. What is the average return per annum, per year? Now, these are monthly returns based on the total account size. I'm not even talking about per annum or per year here. So you can just think of the compound interest with a Forex robot like this. Now, my personal preference is I would personally buy a robot if I've got certain ticks and certain things in place. And one of them is that it must have a minimum of 3 years worth of trading history. So 3 full 12-month calendar years. as a history, then I would look into purchasing that robot. That's just my personal liking. I'm not saying it's a bad robot, not at all. I'm just saying that's my personal preference. If you guys want to take a chance and get it due to everything that I've just shared with you, then go for it. Get it. It's your own choice. It's your personal opinion. You've got the freedom of choice to do what you want. So once again, if you do want to get access to FXCharger Forex Robot, head over to empiredigest.com, click on the Forex tab, head over to Forex Robots like I shared with you, and then head over to Forex Store, click the Access Now button, which will bring you here, search for FXCharger in the search bar, and then you can get access to the robot right here. Once again, I thank you. I appreciate you for watching this video. May you watching this video be blessed with a happy, healthy, loving, kind, financially successful life. Everything that is good and wonderful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Enjoy.